So first of all, this equation is written in standard form. Standard form is when you have x and y on the same side of your equation. All the other ways that we write equations of lines will not be set up this way. Usually we have y by itself. So in this case, x and y are on the same side. They're both on the left side of the equation. With our equal sign there in the middle. And to find the intercepts, we have to remember what they look like. We have to remember where they are. And it gives us some information that we can use. So first, let's find the x-intercept. If we look back at the diagram we did above, the x-intercept is right here on the x-axis. Now this is a point. Everyone agree? It's a point on the line, which means that we want something that is going to be x comma y. So we are looking for a point. We're looking for the one point where this line would cross the x-axis. Now this seems like a total random guess at this point, but we actually already know part of the information. The x-coordinate tells us how far left or right to go. Well, that's what we need to find. How far over is this? The y-coordinate tells you how far up or down to go. So look at this point right here. Everyone take a look up at the screen. This point right here that I'm pointing at. How far up or down did I go from the center, always from the origin? How far up or down did I go to get to this point? How far up or down? I went over, and then how far up or down did I have to go to get to this point? 0. I didn't go up, I didn't go down, it's on the line, which means the y-coordinate is already 0. I have the same information about the y-intercept. Again, x comma y. For the y-intercept, I didn't go left, I didn't go right, I went straight up, which means my x-coordinate is 0. And here's what this allows us to do. To find the x-intercept, we know that y is 0. So if y was 0, it would disappear. So here's what we do. To find the x-intercept, we're going to write this same equation, but we're going to take out the 4y. And it's just going to say 3x equals negative 24. To find the y-intercept, I would plug a 0 in for x, which means x will disappear. So I'll write the rest of it. Negative 4y equals negative 24. Both of these are very simple one-step equations. In this first one, all I do is divide by 3. What is negative 24 divided by 3? I heard one person say it. What's negative 24 divided by 3? Negative 8. So that's what I put here. My x-intercept is negative 8, 0. I'll do the same thing here. I have a negative 4, so let's divide by negative 4. First of all, a negative divided by a negative is what? It's going to be positive, and what's 24 divided by 4? 6. So in this case, y is positive 6, and there's my y-intercept. I found both the things they asked me to do, x-intercept, y-intercept. All you're doing is you're taking the original equation that was there. If I want the x-intercept, I pretend y isn't there and solve it. If I want the y-intercept, I pretend x isn't there, and I solve it. And that gives me the pieces of information I'm looking for.